Bridgeton, Indiana, at the Bridgeton Mill. Nice little place to come out and check out. We'll go inside Bridgeton Mill and see what's in there. This mill was originally established in 1823, so let's go inside and take a look. See what we can see. I've been here before. This is actually a working mill. Had to do a lot of work on the mill to get it back into conditions to work. But, yeah, pretty neat place. Still cut oats so I can get to make some homemade geta, and then jalapeno strawberry. My brother made me some jalapeno jelly several years ago, and it works great on hamburgers to smear some on your bun. This is jalapeno strawberry, so I'll have to give that a try. Now when I was inside talking to the owner, he said that in part because of coronavirus, right? Everyone was baking and whatnot, so he's actually running low on a lot of his flowers, because everyone's coming here and buying everything. So if you notice, the shelves were a little thin. When I was here about a year ago, those shelves were piled full of flour. But yeah, so come out here, Bridgeton, Indiana, check out the Bridgeton Mill. You sell some fresh ground flowers, some jams or whatnot, and just check out the scenery. So come between Rockville and Bridgeton, there's a place called Cross at a Walk Bridgeton Winery. Cross at a Walk is reference to the covered bridges around here. They all have Cross at a Walk signs on them for when the horse and buggy went across the covered bridge to prevent the covered bridge from vibrating too much. But Cross at a Walk Bridgeton Winery, got a large back lot area, probably hold gatherings for maybe a wedding or something like that. half order of loaded nachos compared to my hand. That's how big this thing is. It's got some bulk to it. Got some heft. Oh. That's a lot of, I mean, that's a half order. Woo. I got through half of the, so that's a lot of food. You have to come out here and try the barbecue. It's really good. Between Rockville and Bridgeton, it's been a short drive. It's all paved road. And if you're out here in Parke County, you're probably checking out covered bridges. This is one of the things a lot of people do when they come to Parke County. In the town itself is Billy Creek Village, and there's 3 or 4 covered bridges there. Then at Bridgeton, where we just came from, there's the bridge there. And then in between Rockville and Bridgeton, I need a covered bridge. These covered bridges used to be more important to the county, well, pretty much everywhere. But here in Parke County, we had lots of covered bridges. This used to be the main way to get between one town and the next town, get across all these little streams. Now this particular covered bridge, as you can see, there's no crossing this one. Most people, when they think of Indiana, think of all flat cornfields, soybean fields. But in western Indiana, got a lot of that drainage coming across the state. And it's all between Indiana and Illinois is the Wabash River, which eventually goes down south and gets into the Ohio River. But because of all this drying off of the land, all that water flowing, it has to go somewhere. So that caused a need for a lot of this part of Indiana, because we're so close to the Wabash River, to have a way to get around all these streams. So they built all these covered bridges. So just a little ways that direction is the Neat Bridge. If the trees weren't in the way, you could make it out from here. Short distance away, we now have the McAllister Bridge. And this is where you can see the sign that says, "Cross this bridge at a walk." And the builder was J. Britton. So the Bridgeton Winery crossed this bridge at a walk. Here's the name. This little Billy Creek Village is one of the bridges you can actually drive through. And then in the Billy Creek Village itself, we've got another covered bridge. So here in Billy Creek Village, in Rockville, we have another bridge, the Beeson Bridge. Needs some work, a little rough. And if I recall, there's about 2 more covered bridges, I think, further in the park.